Here I have Motorola Moto G34, and today I'm going to show you how to enter boot mode on this device. So firstly, you should turn your device off by holding down power key, and after device turns off completely, hold down combination power key plus volume down at the same time like this. And after that you will end up in this kind of menu, which is basically boot mode. So here at the boot mode you can use volume keys to navigate and power key to select, and you have such options as start, restart bootloader, recovery mode, power off, barcodes, bootloader locks, and that's it. So when you're done using this mode, to quit it, just select an option start and your device will be restarted just as usual. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.